Hello, first graders. All right, we're ready for day 4. So we've been talking about what inventions do you know about. So once you think about the story that you also read on your whiteboard. Thomas Jefferson, what did he come up with? What did he come up with? Think about that invention. He came up with different ways to do gas lights, right? The oil lights. And he was an inventor. How did he come up with that? Where did he do that at? Right, in his own house. And he practiced and practiced. Alright, which is more complicated, a bicycle or a car? Right, a car, right? Because it takes a lot more to fix the car, right? It has lots more things on it. It has a motor and tires and a muffler and all sorts of things on it. So it's more complicated. What can you do if you're curious about how airplanes fly? What can you do? Could you read a book about it? You could. Or could you find a video, a kid-appropriate video about airplanes? You could, couldn't you? Could you ask somebody who knew about planes? Who's somebody that knows about planes? Right, a plane mechanic or a pilot? Can you think of a device we use as clip papers? Can you think of a device we use to clip papers together? Can you think of one? Right, a paper clip, right? We use paper clips to hold papers together. What's something else that we could use? Could we use a paperweight and do that? Or binder clips? Those are also really awesome to use. Imagine you can fly. What would you do? If you could fly, what would you do? Now remember, that's pretend, right? Because we can't really fly. I would go and fly around to see different buildings that I'm not able to see. What could you do to improve the playground? Think about our playground. What could you do to improve it? Could you go and pick up the chips in the playground? You could, couldn't you? Or pick up the trash? We got to make sure we wash our hands though really good, right? Alright, we're going to read a story now called Windshield Wipers. And we're going to talk about 2 inventions that you know really well. Okay? So the title is called Windshield Wipers. Now, before we get started, remember this is a poetry. Remember, poetries are lines, right? These are just lines. So let's read about the 2 inventions we know well.
Boys and girls, today we are going to be reading some poetry. And we are going to be comparing text, so let's read about 2 inventions you know well. Our first poem is about windshield wipers by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. Squish, squish, squeegee, squish, tossing rain side to side. Squish, squish, squeegee, squish, flap, flap, puddle, glide. Slosh, slosh, sloshing wash, plish, plish, tidal toss. Squeegee, squish, 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 sway. A perfect windshield wiper day. One thing that this poem brings out is alliteration. And alliteration are when some words that are close together all start with the same sound. Or sometimes they're describing a sound that something's making. So squish, squish start with they're the same words, but they also start with the same beginning. Squeegee, squish, we see that and we hear that those 2 words start with the same sounds. Look throughout the rest of this poem and see if you can find any other alliteration words.
Did you guys find flap, flap? They have that fl, fl, don't they? Or plish, plish? They have a pl, fl.
Now we'll move on to our next poem. This one is about scissors by our same author. X slides open, squeezes shut, snip, 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 carve, cut. Silver mouth, yawning wide, clip, 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 split, divide. Slash, gnash, dice up, dice, crisscross, criss, slice, slice. Paper cutters, steel shears, X swings out, then disappears. What problems do windshield wipers and scissors solve? talk to someone around you what you think these two inventions have been able to solve for us.
Okay, I want you guys to think about that. Look at this one. The windshield wipers. How does that help us? How does that invention help us? Right, because when it's raining, we have to be able to see so we can drive safely so we can get somewhere. So that's an important invention. Okay, and think about the scissors. How was the scissors important to us? Right, we can cut things and create things, right? And it helps us make new things, right? We cut and glue. Alright. Those are two inventions that we know really well. Windshield wipers and scissors. Alright, I'm going to say a word and I'm going to add the sound. Okay, are you ready? Or, at what's the word? Roar. Or, at what's the word? More. Right? At what's the word? Bright. Port. At what's the word? Sport. Park. At what's the word? Spark. Or at what's the word? For. Alright, good job. Remember we talked about O-R, O-R-E, and O-A-R. Okay? Alright, let's do these words. You ready? Orc. What's that word? Fork. What's this one? Ort. What's that word? Fort. Alright, how about this one? Or. Snore, like bears snore, right? Alright. Or. Score. Like score in a football game, right? So we have O-R-E. Alright. This is... Alright, that bird right there is called a stork. A stork. How do we spell stork? Well, we have a st. So it'd be S-T. And then we have or. O-R. And then k in the last box. So we have stork. Stork. Now, this one is a fork. A fork. We're going to change the beginning sound. We're going to change it. So I'm going to take the st off and I'm going to put a. So now I have the word fork. So F-O-R-K. I just changed the first sound. Fork. Alright, let's look at this one. This one is a horse. Horse. And then we have a silent E, right? So you spell it H-O-R-S-E. That one's kind of tricky. We have the word horse. Now we have horn. Horn. Look at this. I'm going to change the last sound in this to an N. So H or N. So I'm going to change the S and the E to an N. And you spell it H-O-R-N. Horn. H-O-R-N. Horn. Alright. Let's say these words. Are you ready? We're going to say, spell, say. So born. B-O-R-N. Born. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Core. C-O-R-E. Core. More. M-O-R-E. More. So we took the C off and put a M. Now we have roar. R-O-A-R. Roar. We're going to take that first sound off and put a S. And our next word is soar. S-O-A-R. Soar. Like the bird is soaring in the sky. What's that word? Her. H-E-R. Her. Remember, E-R says er. Now we have dirt. We have the I-R, so it says er. So d. Ert. Dirt. D-I-R-T. Dirt. Now we have learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. And then we have sure, which we have the U-R, and it says er. So S-U-R-E, sure. Alright, let's put these words in alphabetical order. Okay, let's look. Do we have a word that starts with A? Nope. B? Oh, look, I found that word. What is that word? That word is born. B-O-R-N, born. Okay, the next word we have two C words, don't we? Have corn and core. So we have the O-R and the O-R. So we gotta look. It's N or E? Which one comes first? E, right? So we put core, C-O-R-E. And then we would put corn, C-O-R-N. Alright, and then we have D. What's that word? Dirt, right? D-I-R-T, dirt. Alright, let's look at the next one. D-E-F-G-H. What's that word? Her, H-E-R. Alright. Then we have I, nope, J, nope, K, nope, L. What's that word? Learn. And then we have M, M. So what's that word right there? More, M-O-R-E, more. Okay, and N-O-P-Q-R. Oh, look, we have R. So what's that word? Roar, R-O-A-R, roar. We have two words left that start with an S. So we have soar and shore. Which word goes first? Soar, right? Because S-O-A-R. The O comes before the U after the S. Alright. Let's practice these words. You ready? This word was began. Began. Alright, let's get ready. B-E-G-A-N. Began. Better. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. Then we have the word guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. And then we have learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Write. R-I-G-H-T. Write. And we have sure. S-U-R-E. Sure. Alright, don't forget to make sure that you're practicing your sight word. You have a sight word game to be played today. Alright.